We know that Kanye West recently tied the knot with Bianca amidst circulating rumors that the marriage was kept a secret to shield himself from the influence of Hollywood handlers. It's worth mentioning that Kanye had previously accused his ex-wife of attempting to have him institutionalized, claiming that he was almost coerced into undergoing a mind-altering procedure.
The things she's saying about me behind my back, and she's seeing all the things I'm saying about her behind.
Who's ever gonna want to date me? I have 4 kids, like, I'm in my 40s, you know, like, oh my God, who's gonna want to deal with the drama?
Why do I talk different for what? For my videos, I'm the same human being. I don't talk different. How do I talk different?
2 things I said. Tell her security not gonna be in between me and my kids, and also tell her don't have my daughter wearing lipstick on TikTok.
These experiences have left Kanye with a profound sense of paranoia, making it difficult for him to trust anyone. There was a particular incident where he was handcuffed, sedated, and confined to a bed, only to be separated from his surroundings. Interestingly, this revelation emerged shortly after Kanye faced backlash for his remarks regarding the Jewish community. As a result, many speculate that he felt the need to get married in order to safeguard himself from the Kardashian family and other celebrity influencers. Concern arose among Kanye West's fans when multiple sources reported his recent disappearance. Earlier this month, Kanye's former business manager, Thomas St. John, made claims that he had been unable to locate Kanye for several weeks in order to serve him with legal documents. St. John has filed a lawsuit against Kanye, alleging a breach of contract, as Kanye allegedly stopped fulfilling their agreed-upon monthly retainer. Following a contentious meeting between them, Kanye seemingly went into hiding. However, speculation among Kanye's fans has now arisen, suggesting that he may be concealing himself because he is aware of influential individuals determined to silence him using any means necessary. Interestingly, these fans may have been onto something, as on January 9th, Kanye made his first public appearance in weeks, accompanied by his new wife, Bianca Censori. 4 days later, TMZ reported that Kanye and Bianca had a secretive wedding ceremony. While they have not yet obtained a marriage certificate to formalize their union legally, their connection has become public knowledge. According to an insider close to Kanye, as reported by US Weekly, the marriage between Kanye and Bianca is indeed genuine. However, not much information is available about Bianca, except that she holds the position of head of architecture at Kanye's company, Yeezy. Bianca's LinkedIn profile indicates that she has been working for Kanye since November 2020. Prior to joining Yeezy, she owned a jewelry brand in Australia and had worked at 2 architecture firms. The exact timeline of Bianca's relationship with Kanye remains unclear. However, in a song titled Sensory Overload released in December, Kanye used Bianca's last name. While there are limited online photos of Bianca due to her recent decision to lock her Instagram profile, several circulating images over the past few weeks show a resemblance between Bianca and a young Kim Kardashian. Naturally, this led to Kim's fans criticizing Kanye for marrying someone who resembles Kim. Some fans expressed concerns that Kanye has an alarming obsession with Kim. However, it is essential to remember that Kanye himself was the one who created the renowned Kim Kardashian style and tailored the Yeezy brand specifically for her. Given that Bianca is the lead designer at Yeezy, it is not surprising that her style may resemble Kim's. Ultimately, their appearances are distinct, and Kanye played a significant role in shaping Kim's fashion choices. A Twitter user astutely pointed out the significance of Kanye's relationship with the Yeezy architect, stating that it now makes more sense why Kanye considered Kim everything. Regarding Bianca, recent resurfaced photos from her student days in Australia showcase her as a natural beauty. Even if she underwent some cosmetic enhancements, they appear to be minimal. This observation could potentially explain a report from Page 6, which claimed that Kim held animosity towards Bianca due to suspicions of romantic involvement between her and Kanye while he was still married. An insider revealed that it was common knowledge within the Yeezy headquarters that the boss's wife harbored ill feelings towards Bianca. Kim allegedly believed that Bianca and Kanye's relationship extended beyond a professional level. It is interesting to note that in the same report, Page 6 referred to Kanye as a rapper turned raving lunatic. If the rumors hold true that Page 6 and other prominent tabloids in the United States are influenced by Kris Jenner, it would make sense for them to promote the narrative of Kanye's infidelity with Bianca during his marriage to Kim and depict him as having lost his sanity. However, Kanye's fans strongly reject this report, considering it as another distraction tactic to divert attention from the true motive behind Kanye's secret marriage. They firmly believe that Kanye's decision to marry in secret was driven by a strategic mindset rather than the reasons mentioned in the report. According to them, Kanye had a deeper purpose in mind: to liberate himself from the influence of the Kardashians and shield himself from the control of Hollywood handlers. Ever since the initial reports surfaced about Kim contemplating a divorce from Kanye, online speculation has been rife about Kim and Kris Jenner's potential efforts to prevent Kanye from exposing any dark secrets about their family. Allegedly, they made a similar attempt back in 2016 when Kanye was hospitalized following an incident with a gym staff member. During that time, he was placed on an involuntary psychiatric hold known as a 51 to 50 inches and received psychiatric emergency assistance at Laurel Avenue. The 911 call was made around 1:20 p.m. on Monday, and paramedics, along with officials from the Los Angeles Fire Department, promptly arrived at his personal trainer's residence. TMZ reported that officials engaged in a 90-minute conversation with Kanye before adhering to the necessary protocols for a psychiatric patient, including restraining him and transporting him to UCLA Medical Center for evaluation. In light of these events, Kanye's fans firmly believe that the recent secret marriage serves as a means for him to break free from the Kardashian influence and protect himself from the control of powerful figures in Hollywood. They credit Kanye with being far more strategic and calculated than he is often given credit for. According to TMZ's report at the time, when the police arrived to assist Kanye, he became violent. Dr. Michael Farzam, who was treating Kanye during that period, informed the police that his patient was experiencing temporary psychosis and required placement on a 5,150 hold. However, an intriguing aspect of this incident is that it took place at the residence of Kanye's former personal trainer, Harley Pasternak. This is the same individual who recently issued a threat to Kanye, stating that he would have him institutionalized once again and return to what he referred to as Zombieland. Subsequently, it was revealed that Harley has ties to Canadian intelligence, leading Kanye to accuse him of being a celebrity handler. This revelation shed light on the kind of individuals who surround the superstars of California. It's astonishing to think that someone who is assumed to be merely a trainer turned out to have connections to Canadian intelligence. This circumstance serves as an example of the influential handlers present in the lives of California's superstars. In response to the situation, Kanye expressed a desire to assist in several ways, suggesting that one option was to engage in a loving and open conversation. However, it is important to engage in discussions without resorting to offensive language, ensuring that all information exchanged is based on factual evidence. Sometimes people may share outrageous or false stories with you, or you might come across misleading tweets. Another option, as Kanye mentioned, is to have someone institutionalize you once again, where heavy medication is administered, and you become trapped in a state reminiscent of Zombieland. This would inevitably alter the dynamics of our interactions, particularly during playdates with children. Kanye also suggested that Kim and her family have close connections to celebrity handlers, such as Harley. According to him, these handlers are trained to employ mind control techniques on their high-profile clients. Consider this. If Harley had ties to intelligence, it raises concerns about the individuals surrounding his children. What kind of people do you think are currently present in that house? Kanye believes this represents indoctrination. Additionally, he urged taking a closer look at Harley's explanations regarding what he learned while working with the Canadian government. The doctor made a 911 call, explaining that Kanye was experiencing temporary psychosis due to sleep deprivation and exhaustion. However, there is more to the story. Recently, the Kardashians have been implicated in their association with Lou Taylor, Britney Spears' former business manager. It is alleged that Taylor played a role in suggesting the conservatorship for Britney, which was later executed by her father, Jamie. According to Britney's lawyers, Taylor reportedly profited $18 million from Britney's estate during her conservatorship battle. These lawyers also revealed that the Kardashians are clients of Lou Taylor. Additionally, leaked documents from Kim and Kanye's divorce proceedings indicate that Taylor maintained control over Kim's trust fund until at least 2021. Another peculiar aspect is the sudden flood of social media comments imploring Kim to expedite Kanye's placement under conservatorship before their divorce is finalized, following Kanye's recent blacklisting by Hollywood and the loss of many business deals. These comments suggest that Kanye should be subjected to a conservatorship, with him and another family member in charge. The sentiment conveyed is that enough is enough. Another Twitter user expressed the opinion that Kanye's former wife, who is now also a lawyer, Kim Kardashian, should be the one to oversee his conservatorship. They saw it as a sweet taste of revenge. Similar tweets were being posted daily during Kanye's recent public controversy. However, on November 29, 2022, Kim and Kanye's divorce was officially finalized, bringing relief to Kanye's fans who believed this meant Kim could no longer petition to be his conservator. According to lawhelp.org, conservators are not necessarily required to be family members. While the court's initial preference for appointing a conservator is usually a close family member like a spouse or adult child, the court can also consider other relatives or friends. If no suitable relatives or friends are available, the court may appoint a neutral attorney with specific training to assume responsibility for the conservatorship. In essence, Kim could potentially utilize her connections to Lou Taylor to place Kanye under conservatorship, even if she herself does not apply to be his conservator. This possibility has led Kanye's fans to speculate that his secret marriage was a strategic move to ensure protection in case someone attempts to institutionalize him again. Fans expressed that Kanye's decision to remarry is the smartest thing he could have done at this moment, highlighting that those associated with conservatorships are now experiencing panic. So, that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned and we will catch you in the next video.